Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by launching Word and creating a new document. This gets you into the editing flow fast. Once the window opens, set language and autosave so you don't lose work, and choose a template only if it saves time. Save immediately with Ctrl+S, give the file a clear name, and pick a folder or OneDrive location. This initial save establishes versioning and permissions. Make sure autosave is on when collaborating. Now you have a stable file to build on and can start typing. Now you structure and format so the document looks professional and remains editable. Use the Styles pane to apply Heading 1 and Heading 2. This creates a navigable outline and helps with table of contents later. Adjust margins, orientation, and columns under Layout to control flow. Once done, insert images and captions, and use wrap text to anchor visuals. Use Format Painter to copy formatting quickly. It saves minutes on long documents. When you apply consistent styles, updating fonts or spacing becomes instant across the file. Finish by reviewing and exporting correctly so your work transfers cleanly. You should turn on track changes and add comments during review, then accept or reject edits before finalizing. Export to PDF from File Export to preserve layout. Verify fonts and page breaks in the PDF. If formatting breaks, common after copying from web, clear direct formatting or paste into plain text, then reapply styles to restore consistency. One quick troubleshooting tip. Use Ctrl+Z immediately if something unexpected happens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.